Hi, I'm Jeff Zemsky, Vice President of Product Management with the Windchill segment. Today, we'll be taking a deeper look at how to unlock the potential of your modular platforms, increasing value-added time in engineering and manufacturing while streamlining access for the enterprise. Starting with a robust top-down and bottom-up capabilities, a modular product platform can be created and managed to deliver BOM, CAD, and visualization while planning a family of product offerings. This foundation can then be leveraged by manufacturing to align planning and promote earlier collaboration with engineering. With platform modularity, you can validate designs at scale and manage maturity with enterprise-wide change governance. Viewables and augmented reality configurations are available to the enterprise for a wide range of needs.